Bonjour tout le monde, Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello everyone, this is Claire at French in the Midlands, and I'd like us to have a look at more useful French power phrases. In a previous video, I gave you 4 examples, and on this one I'll give you 4 more. They're a bit more difficult, but they're really handy. So just to remind you, the structure of a power phrase is a power verb, like I would like, a verb left as is, to eat, and anything else, to the restaurant. So I would like to eat to the restaurant. So example 5. I can go out tonight. Je peux sortir ce soir. Now, interesting, if you want to ask the question, can I go out tonight? It's exactly the same structure and the same order. Je peux sortir ce soir? The only difference is your voice goes up at the end to indicate it's a question. So I can go out tonight. Je peux sortir ce soir. Next example. I must work tomorrow, or I have to work tomorrow. Je dois travailler demain. Je dois travailler demain. Remember, the word travailler doesn't mean to travel, it's to work. And you've got this I-double-L, which acts like a Y. So travailler. You don't actually hear the double L at all. In our next example, we've got I hate taking the bus. Je déteste prendre le bus. This one's easy to remember because je déteste sounds like I detest. Je déteste prendre le bus. So the bus is the same word, just make the a U, le bus. And for our last example, we've got I have just left to have lunch. Now that's the interesting one I want to draw your attention to. Je viens de is I have just. Normally, je viens is I'm coming from the verb venir. But venir de is to have just done something. It's a set expression, so you have to learn it as such. This one we use all the time, so you can't not know it. So je viens de, I have just. Partir, left. Déjeuner, to have lunch. So here you have 2 verbs following the power phrase. Partir and déjeuner, and they're both left as is. Je viens de partir déjeuner. So let's go back to all our examples. How would you say I can work tomorrow? Je peux travailler demain. I hate going out. Je déteste sortir. I've just worked. Je viens de travailler. I must go out to lunch. Je dois partir déjeuner. So that's it for your examples. I hope by now you see how it works and you're going to use these examples all the time, like we do. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, if you need anything, just refer to my website www.frenchinthemidlands.com for more videos. À bientôt!